Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Happy Birthday Joe at Joanna I. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Gems. And our theme was rainbows. Now, I've already gotten started. I've applied this right here, Nail Tics Formula 2, to my nails. And this is Night Owl Lacquer over the rainbow. And see, the polish is so sparkly that it's just having trouble zooming. Over the rainbow. Yep. It is a glitter bomb. So appropriately named. So here we go with the first coat of Over the Rainbow. And it's going to take a couple, maybe, a couple of coats of this. First coat's a little sheer, but it's going to build up nicely. There we go. I'm going to go in with a second coat here and get this all even and smooth on that nail. And I do love it. I figured I would use this one because it's, rainbow. So what other polish would you use? Hi, Woody. How you doing? I'm going to top it with I&M's out the door. There we go with our blurry camera again. Between the blurry camera and the lighting, I promise y'all, it's wreaking havoc on my happiness here. I just really wish I could get this stuff figured out. But anytime I move it, it messes up with all of it. Here's a swatch photo of Over the Rainbow. Sparkly Yummy. I'll be using Maniology's Cherry Bomb, Bundle Monsters number 12, and Bundle Monsters number 15. And then we've got Maniology Lily Pad. And then finally, Maniology and Alice. I've got out BMXL001. I'm going to use the dots. And I'm using a cube stamper and a Maniology scraper today, I believe. I don't know. Use whatever scraper you got. Use the polishes you have, the plates you have, whatever you got. One scrape across because I didn't want to blend them too much. I wanted to keep that rainbow because this is my rainbow. It's a Dotacure rainbow. I tried to do it with the dotting tool, and y'all, that just was not working out for me. Got my little lint roller there. Gonna clean my stamper off. Gotta get this plate cleaned off with some acetone. And then do this again. I'm gonna do it 4 more times. Well, 3 more times now, because I already did my thumb. Y'all can see I'm focusing. You can see my face in that plate. Ooh, it's scary like that. But I'm definitely focused. Alright, got the rainbow down. Let's do a scrape. And pick up. And I was really happy with this one. I mean, I'm not always thrilled with my manicures, but I was happy with this one. There we go. And again, here we go. Gonna load it up again. A little repetitive, but this is what we did, so this is what I'm sharing. And before I forget, I will have at least a hashtag down below for you to follow over on Instagram if you'd like to check out the other beautiful rainbow manicures for our friend Miss Jo. And if not, I understand. I'm not a Facebook person, so if you don't do Instagram, I can get it. All right, there we go. Got that one done. Now, I don't get any red on the pinky. It's just because it's so short. It was too tiny to get. And believe me, you're going to get to see. I do give it everything I got, trying to get at least one red dot on this pinky, but it doesn't happen. And it's okay, though, because they were still rainbow. It still worked. Get a cool scrape. Do the pickup. Got to get the excess off the stamper. And there we go. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try. Oh, and I'm going to even go back in and try. It's just not working. It's okay. I've decided, all right, let it be. Let it be. I'm going to clean up this stamping plate real quick. And if you can hear my neighbor's dog barking his head off, it's because his people just pulled up in the driveway and he's going crazy. I apologize. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of the excess up off of my skin. And it's coming up really easy today. I don't know. Some days is better than others on this. But I really like this one. It's nothing like extravagant or anything, but I really did like that I stuck to the rainbow theme, but I kind of did it in a different way, you know. All right. Gonna hop in here real quick with my cleanup brush. There's not much left to clean up, but you guys know I like to do it all in the front end before I start doing that top coating. Oh, got a little on my finger. And there we have it. We're going to go over this with some smudge-free top coat. Going to seal that stamping in without smearing it. Yay! And then once that's dry, I'm going to top it all off with some Posh top coat. And this manicure will be done. In the bag, on the books, whatever. It will be finished. And here we go. I'm going to cut my free edge real quick. And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.